Alright, so this is just a quick video here. This is a bell housing off of that transmission I got with the spare transmission that came with my car. Is out of a 2A. This is a suffix D transmission bell housing. I ended up blowing up the gearbox in my car, and I'm trying to transplant this bell housing and throwout mechanism onto a Series 3 gearbox that I've got. Trouble is, this main shaft, as you can see, is pretty well toasted with rust. I was trying to clean it up with a Vapo rust, but there's pitting in where the bearing runs, and this will just eat that 3/4 synchro, well, the 4th gear synchro, alive with the pitting around here. Not to mention whatever sort of gack is still on the gear. But it looks like that is starting to clean up. I just can't use this anymore is the crux of it. So, if you know where I can source a good one of these, preferably not too expensive, or if you have one yourself, please get a hold of me, let me know, leave a comment or something, and because I would really like to get my car back on the road. I also just wanted to quickly add that I am working on editing a video on what happened the day that I grenaded my tranny. I'm pretty sure it's the lay shaft that blew up. I lost 1st through 3rd gear, 4th gear got me home. But might still be another day before I can get this done and uploaded.